go guys, just coming out of Owen Sound. Stopped and had coffee at A&W. Very industrial area, so I didn't record. Lady coming up. Good morning. Seemed like something was going on there. I hope she's okay. So yeah, anyways, like I mentioned this morning, stayed at a hotel last night. Didn't want to. I did everything I could, but a couple things about Owen Sound. It's pretty nice, it seems, but there's no bike lanes anywhere, and it's hard to stealth camp for anybody that's coming through the area for future reference. So yeah, not good for stealth camping and no bike lanes anywhere. I think I might have said bike path, but I meant to say bike lanes on the roads. None. Drivers seemed a little dicey too. Could just all be in timing, but... So I'll be heading into the wind for not very long until I get to 18. And then it'll be a cross tailwind basically. So to all you dandelion haters out there, which I'm not, look how beautiful that is. Should probably take the drone out and fly it over there, but I just started out. I got to get some kilometers. So anyways, beautiful. You got some that are still yellow, kind of like a patch down the middle there. And then you got all the other ones that have gone to fluff. So pretty cool. All right, talk to you guys in a bit. And by the way, this is going to be a road day, unless I see some rail trails that can connect up. But my bike's pretty filthy from the rail trail, so I don't mind. I need to get a hose on her. Anyways, talk to you in a bit. Cool little swamp area to the left and right. Well, not little, massive. I don't know if it's a floodplain or if it's always here. I know there's a lot of marshes in this area. I went by a whole area called the Saratoga Marshes, I believe it was. There really was nothing to video. I do have it on video off to the side of the road, but yeah, anyways, I love environments like that. So much going on. No cars coming, good. Without a good shoulder going uphill, the cars can't see what's coming at them, so it's hard for everybody. Alright guys, so just pulled over. Those marshes that I was just talking about are called the Bognor Marsh Management Area. 668 hectares. Can't remember what that would work out to in acres, but Bognor Marsh Management Area is owned by Grace Abo Conservation. It contains one of the largest marsh systems in Grey County. A dam built in 1975 by Ducks Unlimited controls water levels in the marsh, improving habitat for waterfowl and other marsh living animals, birds, and plants. The water level is lowered by Grace Abo staff every 7 to 10 years to benefit inhabitants through regeneration of plant growth in the marsh. The marsh feeds the beautiful Big Head River that meanders to the town of Meadford, which I think we'll go through, and flows into Meadford Harbor. Pretty cool. no parking fees. I was gonna say. There's a sign and I thought they wanted you to pay to go on the trail. Well, I'm not going in because I'm trying to drop a big day today. An outside shot of making it to Barrie. But, oh yeah. Anyways, I gotta do something on the phone, so I'll get back to you guys in a bit when I'm on the road again. Kind of wish I had time to explore the marsh, but I need to make up some ground. I kind of screwed around a lot yesterday, even though I still rode almost 90K, so anyways, get back with you in a bit. We're just at that Bognor Marsh trailhead, and this is the dam that they're talking about in the video here. So a car's gonna come by and it's gonna seem really loud, but yeah, this is the dam that they use to control the Bognor Marsh level. Pretty cool. Anyways, just a little something I wanted to show you. See you in a bit. Not sure if this is recording. The GoPro did something strange at first, but anyways, I made a last second decision to go down this way, heading towards a town or village called Waterfalls. So hopefully there's some impressive waterfalls, but I see some crazy hills up ahead, so I'm not sure where that's going to take me, guys, so whatever. Alright guys, so I'm on a rail trail, or a trail anyways. I don't know if it was a rail trail. It's called the Georgian Trail. Goes from Meaford to Collingwood. So I've decided to go to Collingwood, not just stay up Blue Mountain. There's nothing around there. So even if my visa does start working, which I don't think it will, I wouldn't have been able to get anything. Just waiting on a couple other things to see what happens. Guys, just heading a little bit outside of Collingwood. Standing outside A&W trying to figure out what's going on with my visa on the phone. Some guy was sitting in his truck eating. I guess he heard me. It wasn't hard. I was standing right there. And so it turns out that he's offered me to stay at the motel that he manages just outside of Collingwood. I did some riding that I wasn't really wanting to do. So I didn't tell him for sure I would, but I'm going to. He said the offer stands, so no matter what, I think it's right here. So try to see if I can get him on video, but he's an older dude. A lot of times they're not into that. Yeah, that's it up on the left. I think it's usually an $80 motel, so it's not a super expensive one, but $0 is a really good price.
Alright guys, so as I was saying when I was just riding up here, really received some amazing trail magic. So I think I might have said his name was something else, but it turns out his name is Gary. And Gary doesn't want to be on my videos. It's just not his thing. I even told him my YouTube channel name, and he said he's never heard of YouTube, which I think he was just joking, but said he definitely doesn't go on social media, Facebook, or any of that stuff. So anyways, Gary, thank you very much. Awesome dose of trail magic here. So the day went pretty good. I should have ate more and drank more for sure, though. That's my biggest downfall, is I don't pay enough attention to that stuff. So it was a pretty good day, though. Talked to a few people. Everybody's been super cool with what I'm doing. The truth is, I've done everything I can to be safe leading up to, and I'm doing everything I can be safe to right now. So yeah, so it was a pretty good day. Like I said, I should have drank more though, and I am feeling it. But all in all, I'm pretty happy with how today went. Rode about 80 kilometers. Went through some pretty cool places and saw some pretty cool things, so as you will see in the video. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow morning, and signing off for Friday, day 4, and I think I'm actually going to drop all that. So signing off for Friday, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. I'm not sure. I'm going to probably head to Wasaga Beach for sure, and then from there I'm going to kind of figure it out, since I don't need to go to Barrie anymore as things have turned out. So signing off for Friday. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Ciao.